Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my squishy box. So sorry if there's like very dark. It's pinky. It's dark. So if there's a shadow, so sorry, that's just my box. I'm going to move my camera. So I will show you what's inside my box. This is like my favorite box. Which is my squish box. That's why it's my favorite box. It's my squish box. So I hope you'll enjoy this thing or something. Sorry if you can see the shadows. There. So I'm just gonna open my box. So sorry if I have to open my box. Sorry if you can't hear me that much, because I'm just putting my power somewhere. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll be showing what's inside my squishy box. So what's inside my squishy box is this one, which is my favorite thing. Sorry if my camera doesn't focus that much, but someday I hope my camera will be focusing. So I got this one. By the way, I showed you what's inside already, so yeah, I don't have to show you what's inside. And then I got what's inside is just my squishies. It's my donut. My Gorilla Kuma cupcake. I won't be squishing this because when I squish it, it's really noisy. So I won't be really squishing this that much. But yeah, this is actually an original packaging. Yeah. I got this Freddo Macron, which is the peachy one, I guess. There's like some stuff at the back. And then I got this one, Sharp Like Cookie Biscuit. And then this super defected emoticon keyring bun, which is the Happy Coffee Cream, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, Happy Coffee Cream. So you know the name already. So the mouth and the eyebrows, the mouth is peeling off, but it's okay. I don't care about it. And it gets so defected easily, like look. It gets so defected easily, but I don't care. So it's okay when it gets defected already. But look, there's like lots of rips already, but I don't care about it. Just open it. I got this squishy toast. Salty toast. I don't know what this is called, but I'll be searching in the internet now. So Vero.com. Ow. My feet hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you their website. Just removing this. You can see now. Is it okay if you guys can't see it now? Because this is just like not a vlog, but we're gonna be looking to menu, bread, Freddo, roti toast. Oops, why is it a holder? Oh my gosh. Is that wrong? Oh my gosh. No bread. Okay, now, the one which I got was this, and it's mine is crazy. So mine is crazy. I got the crazy one, so but it looks like a robo. Oh my gosh. You can see where this is inside. Sorry if you can't see this right away, but guys, I won't be really upset about this. So sorry about that people screaming. Don't care about it. Okay. The background is whatever, sorry. This fun. This. It's glazy. It's shiny. Second, try to put the glaze out. Actually, the glaze won't go out, but it's really sticky anyway. This honey toast. Why did I feel wet? I got this loaf. Whatever you call it. So I'm not gonna show you this anymore. I'll show you the picture. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not gonna show it to you anymore. So I just showed you. Show you now. Let's see. Super ugly. And I got this Shirokuma R or something. No, this is the Shirokuma bun. It's super defective. So yeah. I got this Shirokuma R now. This one. Someone strapped that off because I don't know why. And I got this bun. My wallpaper is actually at the wall. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm showing you some stuff. Okay. It's gonna go for this color. So sorry about that. Still purchase the right. And lastly, I got this cake rabbit. Sorry if you can't see it that much, but yeah, this cake rabbit. I don't like that background. I like this background, like this. So why this heaven? That's all what's inside my squishy box. There's no squishies and a notebook. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys. So yeah, bye. So yeah, bye. So just please lower down the volume if my voice is too, loud, and because I'm talking to the camera, so I'm just videoing in my webcam. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. So yeah, bye.